Hey, it's Allison Denise, your creative accountant, here with a quick little demo on how to customize your Bitly links. So, in case you are not aware, Bitly is a URL shortener, and it is used for shortening really long or really confusing URLs. So, you may notice, like for instance, in MailChimp, your URLs are these little things here. They're already short, but they're not easy to remember. For instance, if you look right here, it's eepurl.com, BV something or another. Who's going to remember that? Nobody, right? But what I've done, this is for my Stellar Speaker Sheet workbook. I've come in here and I've created a customized Bitly link specifically for this link. So, and I customized it to say bit.ly/ speaker sheet workbook. It's easy for me to remember and to say, and it's easy for other people to remember. So when they go, what is that site again? Where do I get that speaker sheet workbook? They'll remember it a lot easier than they would remember this MailChimp URL right here. So, how do you create a customized Bitly link? Okay, I'm going to demonstrate that for you right now. Let's say I wanted to create a short link for my blog. Currently, my URL is I'mAllisonDenise.com/blog. Well, what if I wanted that to be something else for whatever reason, right? So I can come here, I'm going to highlight this URL and I'm going to copy it. All right. I'm going to come back over here to Bitly. This is my account in which I'm already logged in. So this is what it looks like after you've already logged into your free account. And then you come after you've copied your URL, you can also type it in if you want to. I prefer to do the copy and paste to reduce errors. Come right in here and you paste that URL. You see it happen. It was really quick. I don't know if you saw it, but it was really quick. It pasted in there, and then Bitly automatically comes in here and creates this little Bitly link for me. Right here, Bitly 1MBHD06. I don't want that. I'm not going to remember it, and neither is anyone else. So let's just say I wanted this to be bit.ly/ the creative accountant blog. I'm going to come down here, right here in this box underneath bit.ly, and I'm going to click in here where it says customize, and I'm going to type what I wanted to say. The creative accountant blog. Just like that. Now, a couple things to keep in mind here. One, when you create your customized Bitly link, however you type it is exactly how the customer or client or anyone trying to find this needs to type it as well. It is case sensitive. All right. So be mindful of that. Just to make it easy on myself, excuse me, I always make my Bitly links all the way lowercase. That's it. Just so it's easy for everyone to remember. So, the Creative Accountant blog, okay? That's the one thing you want to remember. The next thing you want to remember is unless you have a paid account, you cannot come back and change these custom links. That's it. What you set, once you hit save, is done. Okay? And the only way to make a change is to create another Bitly link for that same URL. That's the only other thing you can do. But if I make a mistake here, I can't come in and make a correction to it. All right. So I'm just going to double check. It says the Creative Accountant blog. I'm good with that. If you notice here, there's a little title down here that came straight from my website. I'm just going to leave that where it is. And then watch what happens when I click save. Now it's changed. You see that? And that is what, when I type this in, it's going to take me to my blog. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. Now I have a new Bitly link here. Okay, it's not that little funky thing I was just showing you. And if I go up here to my web bar and I type in bit.ly/ the, that is not a slash, the creative accountant blog, and hit enter, it takes me to my blog page. All right, that has been how to customize your Bitly link. I hope you found that helpful. Again, this has been Allison Denise, your creative accountant, creator of the Facebook group Purposeful Paid and Pretty, where we share tips, information, and affirmations on how to keep your coins in check and your brands beautiful. Ciao for now.